This is what I've been doing these past few days with these TKC Windsor doors. Crash course in G-code, several cuts. This has made a bit of a bench, air clamp there. It's machining a style at the moment. Showing you, I'm not disturbing it too much, obviously all pre-finished. This is the last style trim to do, thank God. Dropping half a mil and cutting in a mil, advancing. It's doing 13 passes plus I think about 46 drops, so it takes it about just over an hour. This is about halfway through. You can see there it's got 33, around about 33 minutes to go, 52% done. Yeah, it's been all fun and games. Obviously all masked all the doors up. But to get this is obviously the back of the doors, but to get a good joint, still playing around with the joints, and then I'll unmask them all. One's under clamp. That's the 246 still to do. So as you can see, it's already like I say, I've had to mask it all because they're finished. But yeah, that's the amount I took off each door. It's about 30, obviously 50 mil, but you've obviously got to add on just over nearly 13 mil for the scribe joint. But yeah, and then routering all these brackets out, 3D printed these special hooks, the hidden fixings. Got this one for the back as well, which these are slotting together, a bit of meatier version of the others I've done in the past. But yeah, it's I've got done 4 of them pre-assembled. I'm just fixing obviously one part, just putting some adjustment washers underneath so there's enough bite to pull it down when the mantle shelf's on. But yeah, it's hard going. It's been a trial. Can't say I've enjoyed it, but it's been a major learning curve. Anyway, enough waffling. Back to the grindstone. Thanks for watching.